Hello, tech enthusiasts! Get ready to embark on a journey into the cutting-edge world of 3D printing as we unveil the best 3D printers of 2024. In this video, we'll be exploring the latest innovations and technological marvels that have shaped the landscape of additive manufacturing. Whether you're a seasoned maker, a hobbyist, or someone just curious about the incredible possibilities of 3D printing, you're in for a treat. Join us as we delve into the top picks for 2024, showcasing printers that redefine precision, speed, and functionality. From sleek designs to groundbreaking features, these printers are set to empower your creativity and take your projects to new heights. Stay tuned as we unpack the future of 3D printing technology, revealing the best tools to bring your ideas to life. Let's dive in. Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus. In the ever-evolving realm of 3D printing, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus emerges as a game-changer, marrying speed, precision, and convenience. At the heart of the Kobra 2 Plus is its staggering 500 mm per second high-speed printing capability, with a remarkable acceleration of 10,000 mm per second squared. This is a leap into the future, as it's 10 times faster than traditional FDM 3D printers. Professionals will appreciate the recommended print speed of 300 mm per second, ensuring swift and efficient model creation. The expansive 12.6 by 12.6 by 15.7 inch printing size is a standout feature, allowing for the simultaneous printing of models up to 41 liters in volume. Compared to competitors with a slower printing speed of 50 mm per second, the Kobra 2 Plus significantly reduces printing time by 31 hours and 35 minutes, emphasizing efficiency, energy saving, and environmental friendliness. The integration of Smart App Control elevates the user experience, enabling remote networking, firmware upgrades, real-time status monitoring, and even future support for online slicing and printing. The Anycubic app transforms the Kobra 2 Plus into a smart printer, opening doors to enhanced functionality and convenience. Auto-leveling becomes effortless with a unique module that intelligently compensates for Z-axis offset. Customizable Z-axis compensation values cater to diverse user needs and environments, ensuring a hassle-free one-click start for successful printing. The optimized configuration of the Kobra 2 Plus, featuring a direct extruder and dual-motor dual Z-axis motion structure, guarantees efficient material delivery, quick melting, and cooling. The result is a smooth operation with minimal visible layer lines. Innovative features like vibration compensation and flow control further distinguish the Kobra 2 Plus. Vibration compensation eradicates resonance vertical lines, ensuring printing accuracy, while flow control intelligently manages retraction and refilling for even and fully printed layers, enhancing overall print quality and detail representation. Priced at $499, this powerhouse is a beacon for both professionals and beginners seeking efficiency and high-quality prints. AnkerMake M5C. The AnkerMake M5C is a 3D printer that redefines the landscape with its remarkable features. Priced at just $399. With Power Boost 2.0 technology and an ultra-direct extruder, the AnkerMake M5C achieves printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second while maintaining an impressive 0.1 mm precision. This ensures that your models are not only created quickly but with utmost accuracy. The convenience of control from anywhere is brought to life with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Using the AnkerMake app on your mobile device, you can seamlessly control the printer, monitor print statuses, and transfer sliced models effortlessly. The Precision Mode is a standout feature, supporting up to 50 micrometers resolution with a 0.2 mm nozzle. Advanced algorithms make fine printing faster and more efficient than ever before, taking your 3D printing capabilities to the next level. Built for enduring reliability, the AnkerMake M5C features wear-resistant components and a 300° Celsius all-metal hot end. Its wide compatibility with filament materials like PLA, patch, ABS, TPU, and PLA carbon fiber ensures versatility in your printing projects. User-friendly features make printing a breeze, with a 49-point automatic bed leveling system, an integrated design for easy installation, and power and filament outage recovery functions. The PI flexible magnetic plate provides a stable and easy-to-remove printing surface, making the AnkerMake M5C an ideal choice for beginners entering the world of 3D printing. In summary, the AnkerMake M5C is a budget-friendly yet powerful 3D printer that offers precision, speed, and connectivity, making it an excellent investment for creators of all levels. Creality Ender 3 Max Neo. Creality takes 3D printing to new heights with the Ender 3 Max Neo, priced at just $349. This printer opens the door to creative freedom with its impressive build volume of 300 by 300 by 320 millimeters, allowing you to bring your large-scale projects to life in a single go. Setting up the Ender 3 Max Neo is a breeze, with a 6-minute assembly time. The built-in CR Touch auto-leveling kit and the intuitive color touch screen with a rotary knob elevate the ease of use, making this 3D printer an excellent choice for beginners. The improved experience extends to features like belt tensioners on both the X-axis and Y-axis, simplifying maintenance. The inclusion of a silent TMC 2208 board and a filament runout sensor ensures a smooth 3D printing experience, reducing noise and enhancing overall user satisfaction. Enhanced stability is achieved through the installation of a second Z-axis lead screw, preventing gantry sagging and stabilizing the X-axis gantry. This upgrade not only improves the quality of printed components but also makes the printing process more reliable. The Ender 3 Max Neo incorporates dual fan cooling for better heat dissipation, reducing the risk of filament blockage. This enhancement contributes to improved printing precision, especially when tackling larger projects. Compared to ordinary 3D printers, the Ender 3 Max Neo boasts a faster printing speed of up to 120 millimeters per second, ensuring efficient and timely project completion. In conclusion, the Creality Ender 3 Max Neo stands out as a budget-friendly 3D printer that doesn't compromise on features. Anycubic Photon M3 Premium. Step into the future of resin 3D printing with the Anycubic Photon M3 Premium, priced at $1,070. The Photon M3 Max resin printer boasts an incredible print volume of 13 by 11.7 by 6.5 inches, providing the canvas for your large-scale projects or the ability to print multiple models simultaneously. This expanded print volume translates to higher printing efficiency, catering to the demands of your creative ambitions. Witness jaw-dropping detail with a 7K UV LCD screen, offering a resolution of 6,480 by 3,600 pixels. This screen's high contrast ratio of 450:1 ensures sharper details around edges and corners, enhancing overall print quality and success. The Anycubic Photon M3 Max features a 13.6-inch oversized LCD screen, granting you the freedom to create on a grand scale. The addition of a replaceable anti-scratch film, complete with a protective film, safeguards the LCD screen from potential damage due to liquids. Experience speed and power with the Photon M3 Max's impressive capabilities. It achieves a rapid printing speed of 60 millimeters per hour, completing a 12 centimeters model in just 2 hours. The matrix LED lamp beads provide a powerful light source, enabling high-speed printing without compromising on detail. Automatic resin feeding is a game-changer, offering intelligent filling and stopping after reaching the desired level. The laser engraving platform ensures strong adhesion, significantly improving the printing success rate. In conclusion, the Anycubic Photon M3 Premium stands as a top-tier choice for enthusiasts and professionals seeking an unparalleled resin 3D printing experience. Creality K1 Max. Embark on a new area of 3D printing with the Creality K1 Max, priced at $1,099. This powerhouse is designed for efficiency, boasting a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per second squared, making it 12 times faster than regular FDM 3D printers. Perfect for both professionals and beginners, the K1 Max offers an unparalleled printing experience. The K1 Max's substantial 11.8 by 11.8 by 11.8 inch printing size provides ample space for creativity, allowing for the simultaneous printing of multiple models and significantly increasing printing efficiency. With a print volume to printer size ratio reaching up to 25.5%, it outshines similar sized printers on the market. Incorporating smart AI LiDAR and a camera, the K1 Max ensures error-free printing. The 1 micrometer's resolution LiDAR scans the first layer, pausing printing and alerting users to any issues. The AI camera monitors for potential failures and foreign objects, providing real-time alerts and creating time lapses for easy sharing. Strain sensors in the heat generate an accurate leveling mesh for hands-free auto compensation. The K1 Max is an out-of-the-box marvel, arriving assembled, calibrated, and equipped with a quick guide for seamless self-testing. Hands-free auto leveling, rapid 60°C heat bed in the 90-second, and precise leveling with AI LiDAR make for a hassle-free printing experience. Featuring a 32 cubic millimeter per second flow and dual cooling system, a K1 Max stands out with a ceramic heater, dual gear direct drive extruder, and titanium alloy heart brake, ensuring full blast feeding flow up to 300°C. 2 fans, strategically placed, cool the freshly printed model, preventing stringing and warping. In conclusion, the Creality K1 Max is a revolutionary 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and smart features.